Alright, so I'm beginning to realize that last time I spent way too fucking long on each stone pretty much. So this time we're going to see just how fast we can get it done. Tonight I'm going to be doing the Cold Steel Kobun Lynn Thompson Signature Edition S35VN steel. This is a numbered one. I got number 651 right here. We're going to sharpen it. Probably reprofile it and sharpen it. Nice little knife. It's a good big blade. Pretty thin. Feels pretty good in the hand. Blade's not too awful right now, or the edge. See, we got a little bit of catching right there around the belly. It'll go through, but it wants to catch right there. So I can make it work, but yeah. We're gonna see just how quick we can do it. I'm gonna start on the Sharpal. 320 grit, I do believe. This thing comes with that little angle guide. If you're interested in it, it comes with that. So, alright. We'll set a timer just to see what we got. Timer, or stopwatch, here we go. Alright. 3, 2, 1. We got a burr most of the way. I just got to work on that bottom, the heel. Almost there. One tiny little spot. Hair a bit more, and then we'll blend it. There it is, apexed on one side. Let's see, gotta go. We got a burr all the way across. Nice even edge. Let's see. Alright, I'm racing the clock. 2 minutes 41 seconds. quick. Got a burr all the way across. And that was both sides in 3 minutes 46 seconds. A hair bit more on this side, get the burr off. Very nice. We are reprofiled. Alright. I'm going to go to the Shapton 1000. That already looks great. Put a little bit more on it. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. A little bit of shine on that edge. We're at 6 minutes and 33 seconds. And looking great. I think we got a baby burr across the whole edge. Move this over here, get it out of the way. Looks awesome. But yeah, I watched a bunch of videos today and I realized just how much time I was wasting. Like, I'm pretty much done on this stone already. We're at 7 minutes and 51 seconds. It's just a little bitty burr going across that thing. I'm gonna pause it just so we can test the sharpness. Well, I'm gonna keep it going while I deburr it. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna stop for a second just to Much better already. Oh yeah. Beautiful. I think we're done with this stone. Going to resume and go to the 5,000. Last video I was about 30 minutes in getting to this stone. Let's see. Looking good. Can't get the light to hit it just right. Let's see. At the tip. There we go. It's looking good. Keep going. 10 minutes, 29 seconds. I hate when I come off the top. We are looking good. So I could call it done at this point if I wanted to, but we'll go just a little longer. It's removing very little material. But it is beautiful what it is doing. Alright, I'm calling that done. Yeah, I watched a few videos today, and they were saying you can spin 4 or 5 passes on each stone after you set your profile. So we're going to stop it right there at 1327. See what we got. Ooh, I caught it. Let's see if that was just the paper ink. Beautiful. Let's see. I love it. 13 minutes, 27 seconds. Last video was an hour. Right at an hour. It's really hard to get the edge on this thing in this video. GoPros don't focus. They kind of just see everything. So, Cold Steel Kobun. I don't know how well that's showing at all. Great little knife. I carried it there for a while. I'm going to start doing it again now that I got her good and sharp. What the? Oh, the paper's wet. Let's drop her 2 more just in case. Well, I mean just in case. I guess we'll add 20 seconds to the time. I'm going to do just straight pushing. Caught it wrong. Very nice. Like I say, if you guys got any tips or tricks or know anything I'm doing wrong, other than spending entirely too long on one stone, let me know. I'm still trying to learn. I feel pretty fucking proud of that one though. I gotta give thanks to all the YouTubers out there giving advice in their videos. So, wouldn't be able to do this without that. So, before I got these, I was on a, what is it, a Smith's Tri-Home, and I got them kind of sharp. Hold up. It was this little guy. Had the coarse stone. There was a medium stone here. I don't know the grits, but coarse, medium, fine. And you could get them pretty dang sharp on this, but take and compare the size. The Sharpal versus this guy. The Shapton versus this guy. Got so much more room to work with here. So, these stones opened up a whole new fucking world for me, and I'm super grateful that there's people out there suggesting them. So, the Sharpal 320/1200 grit, amazing. You could finish just on this. The Shapton Kobun 1000, you could finish just on that. The Shapton Kobun 5000. I plan to get a 2000 to kind of step in between. So that's coming up probably next week or so. But I do believe that's my fastest time yet. I've done a few off camera that were probably 20-30 minutes, but 13 minutes 27 seconds, pretty badass for me. Especially just how fucking sharp that thing got. Still happy about that compared to what it was. So, yep. You guys got any tips, tricks, or suggestions? Comment down below, please. I'll be here sharpening knives. See y'all.